Welcome to Protect the Wolves. This footage provided by Peer to assist banning grazing allotments. We must get individuals like the Diamond M out of our national forests, help us ban grazing allotments near known or newly discovered wolf dens. The individual that you see here before you is the owner of the Diamond M Ranch, which involves also the Profanity Peak pack wolves. Shown near their den early in the morning of June 30th. This is public land on the Colville National Forest. Look at the grasses in the current setting prior to grazing season beginning. It is very important that you pay attention to the grasses in the beginning and the grasses at the end of this video. It will show you beyond a reasonable doubt that grazing allotments do not belong upon our U.S. Forest Service land or our Bureau of Land Management land. This is some more footage from later that very same day. This picture is dated 6/30. These pups do look concerned for what they're hearing around them. The following day, cattle are seen in the same area. Diamond M had installed salt blocks. Cattle are attracted to these salt licks installed near the den area. The salt blocks are 200 yards away from the wolf's den, 25 feet away from the road. The ranch's U.S. Forest Service grazing permit prohibited installation of salt blocks that close to roads or trails. This next image is within an hour, very close to the previous location. Again, you can look at these time and date stamps at the bottom of this video. Just a minute later, we had a wolf in the same location simply because they're too close to the rendezvous den. Again, I remind you to keep your eye on the grass resources. Wolves, as we've watched in Yellowstone National Park, a great place for studies, do not allow animals to be close to their dens, especially when they're raising pups. This is 8/8. Look at the grasses. There have already been several cattle killed because they're too close to the den. Salt block attractants have still not been removed. This is nearly a month later. Starting August 5th, 6 Profanity Peak wolves have been massacred at the behest of the Diamond M Ranch because of their blatant disregard for U.S. Forest Service policy. Diamond M Ranch refused to cooperate with state's outreach programs. Further, Diamond M Ranch failed to follow U.S. Forest Service policy. Diamond M Ranch has no business grazing their cattle in our national forests, and that is proven by their blatant disregard for the policies mandated upon them by the U.S. Forest Service. Will the Forest Service stop this? We hope so. Again, I want you to look at this resource damage by these cattle's constant eating and trampling.